identity and lifestyle is holding you back from getting a deal? Can't get yourself to sit down and pitch? Does life keep getting in the way and you start creating excuses? Is getting a licensing deal at the bottom of your priorities list? Actions speak louder than words. It's time for a wake-up call. How you do anything is how you do everything. My name is Courtney Laskowich. I've been in the product licensing industry for 8 years, and on June 26th, I will be presenting at the next Inventors Online at Inventors Groups of America on overcoming the number one thing holding you back with essential mindset changes that will get you a deal. I will be going over how you can create a point of no return, how to overcome decision fatigue and mental exhaustion, time management techniques, and why consistency and experiential knowledge matters much more than you think. If you want to get a licensing deal and just can't get yourself to do the work, then I hope to see you online on June 26th at 4 p.m. Pacific. See you there!